Good morning. How are you, MPPNs? Doing good? Okay, very good. Shall we learn now? Yes. What are we going to learn? We will learn English. Which is the subject we will learn now? We will learn English. Okay. Okay, tell me which is the unit to study today? Today we have to study unit 5. Fifth unit we are going to do now. And what is about that unit? That unit is about sound of U with silent E. What is the chapter about? It is about U sound words with silent E. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Let's hear with the first one. What is it? Is it a ball? No. What it is? It is, what is the color? It is blue color. B L U E. It is a color, blue color. Okay, blue. B L U E, blue. Next one. Do you know what is this? This is glue. Do you use glue? Yes, to paste papers. Yes or no? Yes. And what is the spelling of glue? G L U E. B L U E, blue. G L U E, glue. Okay? Okay, we are going to the second page now. What are the pictures here? Look here. Do you know what is it? Okay, you can see a picture of peacock. But we are not talking about the peacock. We are talking about that thing on which peacock has been made. What is that thing called? It is jute. 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 What is it? Jute. That peacock has been made on jute. Okay, right. Next one. What is this? Have you seen this one? Yes. What is it? Basuri. Yes. And what is it known as in Hindi? It is known as flute. 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 Okay. Flute. Flute. Jute. Flute. Right? Okay. Moving to another words. Now I will not show you any pictures, but I will give you some words only. Ready? What are we talking about? We are talking about U sound words with E silent. Okay, see the words. What are they? BLUE, blue, and GLUE, glue, TRUE, true, blue, then glue, then true. Okay, once more. Blue, blue, true. You got it? Yes. Moving to the next group of words. What are they? First one, DUE, dew. What is it? Dew. Next one, what is the word? HUE. You tell me now, what is it? Yes, it is hue. Well done. Very good, students. HUE, hue. Another word. What is that? SUE. SUE, sue. Dew. Then hue. Then sue. Once more. Dew, hue, sue. Moving to the next words. What are the words? Have a look here. CUTE. CUTE, cute. What is it? Cute baby. You say it now? Yes, cute. JUT, that you have learned. JUT, jute. And MUT, mute. What are the words? Let us have a revision. Cute, then jute, and the last one, mute. Revise. C-U-T, cute, J-U-T, jute, and M-U-T, mute. Moving to the next group of words, and it is the last one. What are the words? Have a look. F-U-M-E, F-U-M-E, fume. F-U-S-C, fuse, very good, fuse. And F-L-U-T, flute. Okay, revise. F-U-M-E, fume. F-U-S-C, fuse. Last one, F-L-U-T, flute. Fume, fuse, flute. Ready? Yes. So, we have completed today's chapter. Okay, we are going to wind up the class. Let us have a revision. What did we learn today? What did we learn today? Yes, of course, sound of U with silent E. What did we learn? We learned sound of U with silent E. U sound words, but E is silent. And what are the words we learned? Dew, sew, hue, cute, mute, flute, jute, etc. Right? Have you learned it? Yes, very good. Well done. You have to learn the spellings. Okay? Right. So, now I am going to wind up the class. What do you have to do? You have to take care of you. Okay? Stay home and stay safe. Okay? Bye.